Hello everybody, good morning. Yesterday we picked up the package from Korea at the post office. This package came from Mom Anna Rose and Sir Jeff. And thank you so much, Mom, for your thoughts, and Sir Jeff. May God bless you all. And I would like to show you the goodies. And stay tuned, I'll be back. Say good morning, Daile.
Yeah, good morning, everybody.
I just want you to show you the package that we received from yesterday. And here it is. Here, guys. Here are the goodies inside the box. So many, so yummy. And in fact, Philip, he's already opened some of it. And I think he used
Yep, the coffee's good.
the cano. He said the coffee.
The coffee's good, so I already had to try it.
The coffee
And
is good.
the Oreo bars. Good breakfast.
You sit down here.
Already ate a couple of the Oreo bars.
Oh yeah, here is the Oreo, guys.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's open now. Tastes good.
Yeah, they're good.
Chocolate.
It's a different Oreo type deal, but I really like it. Yeah, good.
What about this one?
Oh, that's like a potato fry. It's kind of like our picnic in the U.S. and that, and they're good too.
Wow.
So yeah, I've been trying a whole bunch.
So many, guys. And the Fritos, really. There's no
well,
Fritos here.
You'll like the Fritos.
I will.
Yeah.
There is no Fritos here, really. First time I heard that. Fritos. Wow, it's packed. And might be the size is good. Or yeah. And all kinds of here, the gloves. Philip separated this one. Nice gloves. And I can use it. Or Philip can't use because he have a big hand. And Ondoy already used it one yesterday too. And here is a Crown Choco Hazelnut. Wow, very nice. Thank you so much, Mom. And this one is a spicy noodles. This is gonna be might be 20 pack inside. Wow. Thank you, Sir Jeff and Mom Anna. And here, wow, that's a garden nut. Very, very nice. Thank you so much. This is good for, oh, I see that. Good for the worm. So worm cannot get inside in the bees. Oh, wow, this is perfect for pichay. Oh, wow, I will try this one. Thank you. And here's the coffee. And this one too, another chocolate and hazelnuts. And more chocolate bar, almonds. We have 4 pack here. Then we opened it yesterday. That's very good taste. This one, wow, this is a coffee. Very, very nice. Thank you so much. 15 sticks. Oh yeah. And this one too, very interesting to my garden. A net. Wow, I love it. Thank you. And here too, crackers. Wow, so yummy. And this one too, a bar. Cheese roll. Very nice. Thank you. This one tea. Oh my God, this might be for slimming. Healthy tea. Green tea.
Rosemary is like a
What
herb and
is
a flower.
rosemary? Oh, herb. Good for
No, I'm not sure. You know, I'd have to look
a
it up
very
again.
nice carrots.
Basil, of
A
course, is an
basil.
herb for soups and that.
Wow, thank you. Lavender.
Yeah.
Is a flower.
Yep. And those are all flowers.
This is a zinnia. I don't know, zinnia?
No, it's all flowers.
Yeah, flower. I know that. Wow, thank you. And this one too, a very cute one. Thank you so much, Mom.
Yeah.
And here is the...
And the cookies here.
Yeah, the cookies.
I even had some of those. They're very good.
Almost gone.
Yeah.
And this one, gum candy. Tastes good. The other one, we opened it already last night. And here is the other one pa. Oh, yeah. And this one, a candy bar. Thank you so much. And this one is interesting to add. It said there, hi Beth and Philip. This is a packet of nori or kim. You can put a spread of rice on nori and then strips of meat or ham, cheese, even vegetables. Hope you like it. Be sure to seal up the nori pouch when here are, what do you call this one? Same leftovers. If there are same leftovers. Okay, thank you so much. This is gonna be interesting. Wow, very special. And this is for the arm. Okay, I have two. Wow, thank you so much. And this is it, guys. A very nice package from our subscriber in Korea. Thank you so much, Mom and Sir Jeff, for your thoughtful for your thoughts, and we are so happy that you sent us the package. And I would like to say goodbye for now. Thank you so much for viewing my video, and to Sir Mom Anna Rose and Sir Jeff, and God bless you more, guys. We love you all. Bye for now.